Hello loves, I got some crafty goodness in this bag. Come check it out. Hello loves, welcome to UniekMakes by Cristina. I have some goodies to share with you from Temu. If you're a new Temu user or you just reinstated your Temu app, I do have a code for you to use, and I also have a $100 bundle that you can also save some money. So yeah, let's get into this goodness. Okay, one thing I want to share is this. This is a little star plate that I bought. I wanted another one. Actually, let me show you this. This is the one I recently bought from Amazon to show my beads and stuff. So I did find one on Temu that's actually smaller. So let's check this one out. Actually, this is actually pretty cute. So look at that. It's out of clay, which is a ceramic. This is not bad. This is not bad for a little for showing a little bit of beads and stuff. So I actually like this, and it's lightweight. So that's a nice one. So I got that, and they do have this in pink also. Okay, another thing I have here, I believe, let's see what this one is. Oh, these are actually sunflowers, and these are flatbacks, and they are actually they're pretty good size. Look at that. That's real pretty. And it's a random color, so you don't get to pick which color you have. And they're just flat, so there's no beads or anything to it. But you can make them into charms. That's gonna be nice. And I'll have all the links below. Actually, a nice one there. I did find these appliques. I think these are actually real pretty. And how many comes in this? I'm not sure how many. Let's look at these also. And these are real pretty. These are pastel colors, so you know I do love my pastels. Look at those. So these will look really nice for your embellishments. Yeah. And they do, in the back they do have a little felt so that you could just stick them on to anything. Real nice. They do have a little pom-pom, and they're all the same. It's actually pretty. So they have a lot of different ones in Temu. Another thing I found on there were these heart keychains, and it is, you do get 4 in a pack, and they are pastel colors, and they are with the mirror. Let's look at these ones. This is the gold version, and that they do have the mirror on there. I'll cover the mirror up. That. So you get the yellow, the green, the blue, and the pink. It's actually a pretty good sizes on there. Look at that. So that's a real nice one also. Like I said, it does come with the mirror. Alright. So that's a nice one there. Now I saw this on Temu. I thought this was pretty interesting. They're USB like night lights. And what I thought about this is I got some acrylics that I could glue on the ends to make USB night lights basically, but with a little character on there. And what you do here, you could connect this to your computer. And if you have an acrylic, you could just glue it on here and it will light up the acrylic. And you have like an instant night light. And they're in your kid's room or anything. Or even if you wanted it. So I thought that was actually a pretty cool DIY to make. And I actually saw this idea on TikTok. So I thought it was really cool to make. And you get 10 pieces for that. So I thought that was pretty cool. Okay, actually I was going to try it with these, but these are actually smaller. Now these are acrylics, and these are actually small acrylics. But wait till you see these. These are actually adorable. These are cute. And they're actually a panda. You got the kitty cat. And I believe a rabbit. You even got one that looks like cinnamon roll. It almost looks like Hello Kitty, but it's not. Let me bring it up closer to the camera. Look at that. How cute is that? That's a small one. So they're about, I want to say 2 mm on there. But they're real good. They're actually really good. And don't look cheap at all. And they're pretty thick. So I could show you. See? And the image on it is real nice. Look at that. So I got that one. But when I got this, the idea was to put this on top of here. But like I said, it's too small. You need something like a, I say like a 4 mm to fit on there. And it should work fine. Now check this bag of cuteness. I saw this. I was like, OMG, I needed this. Look at this. These are actually some caterpillars. Look how adorable these are. Look at that. And you get a lot of different colors. Okay, you get the cream with pink, you get blue with pink, black with white, green with yellow, pink and blue. I think I got all the colors. Let me bring this one close so you can see. Look at that one. How adorable is that? So this one has a little bit for everybody. So if you don't like pink, they got a black one. You don't like black, they got yellow, green, they got cream. So there's a little bit of everything. Adorable. I think this bag, this is my favorite out of the whole bag. So this is nice. And this one did have a bag that had a lot. So you could bought the, I think they had a 10 piece, 5, 10, and I think 30. I think this one was. So yeah, this one was my favorite. Was this piece. I'll leave that there because I think I got beads next. Okay, the next one, let me show you the beads I have. Now I've had I hauled the other colors, so I got some more colors of it. So I have the line, look at that, which is the AB, and it gives that little shine. Look at that. Hopefully you can see that. So this is a seed beads. Got that one. We get the white one. Okay. The pastel pink. This one's a dark pink. Came in a different package. Then I have the black. You can see the little purples, the blues, and greens in it. Okay. And then the light purple. That's actually real pretty. And then the last thing I have is these cloud dies. I thought it was real cute to do on a card, or even just make an embellishment with it. So look at that. Let me take it out so it's not a glare. Look at that. So you get 3 different sizes: the big one, the medium one, and the small one. And they do have stitching on there. So you could use 1 or all 3. Look at that. So that's a pretty cute die. So yeah. So that is all for my cute little haul. I hope you enjoy the video. That is all for my haul today. I will have all the links in the description below. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe if you haven't, hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, have a blessed day. Bye bye.